How to do motion tracking in CapCut PC. Motion tracking in CapCut PC lets you lock text, stickers, or other overlays to a moving object in your video, and it looks fire when done right. So first of all, launch CapCut PC, click on Project and import your clip and drag the video to timeline. Then once done so, simply tap on the text option available at the top tab. Tap on the text. Now write down whatever you prefer. Here I'm typing down motion tracking, and once you type down, make sure you drag the text to the end of the timeline of the video. So once you drag the text to the end of the timeline video, you will get to see tracking option available at the top. Simply tap on the tracking available there. Then once you tap on the tracking, you will get to see motion tracking available there. Tap on it again. Now all you have to do is choose from the tracking box, resize and move the box to cover the object you want to track, like a face, hand, or item. Since I have an elephant available here, so I am tracking the whole. Then all you have to do is start previewing the video. CapCut will analyze the motion automatically. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.